up, guys? My name is Devin, aka Second Nature Hype, as you may know on Instagram. I am filming my first YouTube video where we're basically going to be doing unboxing videos for hype stuff like Supreme, Palace, Babe, Places Plus Faces, Takashi Murakami, all that good stuff. Any hype stuff we can get our hands on, designer pieces, and last but not least, vintage stuff. So this channel is going to be dedicated to unboxing any new things that we find and that will be going for sale on the store. Second Nature Hype, it's in the link in the bio of the video, so you can go shop there for anything that you find that we unbox on these future YouTube videos. But today, we got a very special package in the mail. It's from a very special address, and I'm very pumped to open it with you guys. I got my trusty red knife, as you can see. I got my Takashi Murakami Kanye West on. But yeah, for the first YouTube video, I just wanted to open one really exclusive piece of grail and kick the first video off on a good note. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of this extremely rare grail that we have in our hands right here. The Holy Grail has finally arrived. So let's get into it. I got my red knife, like I said. Should be good enough. Jeez. Okay. So, one sticker that came in there. Usually they give a little more, but okay. But that's alright. I'm not too mad about the stickers because we got the Takashi Murakami box logo. Yes, that is right. A large, the holy grail of them all. We got it right here. I'm gonna flip the camera around in a second so you guys can see this in a better view, but size large, COVID relief. I'll flip the camera around so you guys can see that, but oh man, am I ever stoked on this. So I'm kind of bummed they didn't match the box logo sticker to the actual box logo on this. They kind of dropped the ball on that, but you know what? Hey, can't be mad. Got an extremely rare grail, like I said, in a size large. Here, let me flip the camera around for you guys so you can see it. All right, so there it is up close. Get that good focus. Let me do a little B-roll and action. Alright, yeah, so like I said, the box logo tee is in hand, and boy am I ever stoked. I'm so happy that we got to unbox this for our first video. And this might not be too long of a video, you know, it might just be a short little introduction. Like I said, it's Second Nature Hype. My name is Devin Cooper, and yeah, like I said, follow me on all my social medias. We got the Second Nature Hype Instagram right here where we're selling all of the clothes, and then we got at Devin Cooper right here where I'm posting all of my fit pics. So you can follow both of those if you want, or you could just follow one. Maybe you might just want to buy some stuff. Maybe you just might want to see some fit pics. It's up to you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because, like I said, we're going to be unboxing a bunch of new stuff every week. So whether it's a vintage grail, or it's a Supreme grail, or it's a designer piece, or maybe we'll do some live cops, anything that you guys want to see, you can let me know and I'll try to make that happen. Live thrifting in the bins, live thrifting at the trenches, like everything and anything that you guys can think of that we can do for YouTube videos, and just put out content behind the scenes, answering questions, anything like that. We're going to be doing it on this channel, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this very first piece. Like I said, I got this manually on the job. It's the first box logo I've ever gotten, and it couldn't have been a better box logo to get, and I am so excited that my Murakami piece, the Kanye piece, came in on time. I could unbox the Murakami box logo. Everything just came together perfectly. I couldn't have asked for a better first video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see the box logo up close, even though it's still in its package, but at least you guys got to see a little up close sneak peek of it. Hopefully I could be one of the first people to post this on YouTube. If not, hey, it is what it is. I'm still glad that I got to do this unboxing for my very first YouTube video on Second Nature Hype. So throw a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and click the link in the bio if you want to purchase anything that's for sale in my store. And thank you guys so much for watching. We're out. Peace.